Hello guys, Kevin Auto Insider. So today we have this car. So this is the ignition. So we are now changing this to a keyless entry. So this is the key. Comes with two keys for this push to start. So if you want to put it on, that's how you put. You press once, comes to accessory, then to on. Okay, that's how you put it off. So with this key I can put it on. See, can switch it off with the remote. So in case you have a car that needs and this key upgrade, you can reach out. It's budget friendly. Remember this upgrade. It's a 1 hour job. For all cars that use the normal ignition, you can change to this keyless entry. So just by that, you can now start the car. Easy to have. So this car will also be locking the remote. So